Hello and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to be exploring the fascinating world of street art. Street art, also known as urban art or graffiti art, is a form of public art that is created on or around public spaces, usually without permission. It can take many forms, including graffiti, murals, stencils, stickers, and more. Street art has a long and varied history, dating back to ancient civilizations. In ancient Rome, graffiti was used to communicate political messages and social commentary. In the modern era, street art has evolved to include a wide range of styles and techniques, from traditional graffiti lettering to more abstract forms of expression. Street art is often associated with subcultures and countercultures and has been used as a means of political and social activism. However, it has also gained mainstream recognition and has been exhibited in galleries and museums around the world. One of the most famous street artists is Banksy, whose identity remains unknown. His work often addresses political and social issues and has been exhibited in major museums and galleries. Other notable street artists include Shepard Fairey, who created the iconic Hope poster for Barack Obama's presidential campaign, and Jenny Holzer, who uses text-based installations to communicate social and political messages. Street art can be controversial, as it is often created without permission and can be seen as vandalism. However, it has also been embraced as a legitimate form of public art and has helped to revitalize urban areas. So, what do you think of street art? Have you ever come across any interesting pieces in your city or while traveling? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.